Wish you could go from script to stunning visuals in no time? Well, today we're exploring the AI Creators Club, your key to making AI videos that pop. So, how exactly does AI help you create videos faster? AI Storyboard Generators. Stuck visualizing your script? The club might have AI tools to generate storyboards in a flash, giving you a clear roadmap for your video. Smart scriptwriting assistance. Writer's block? No problem. Some clubs offer AI-powered assistants to brainstorm ideas, structure your script, or even suggest dialogue. AI-powered editing tools. Speed up the editing process with AI suggestions for cuts, transitions, and even background music. No more painstakingly searching for the perfect soundtrack. Learning resources galore. Dive into tutorials, guides, and workshops designed to teach you the ins and outs of AI video creation tools and techniques. The power of community. Connect with other AI creators, share your projects, get feedback, and collaborate on epic video ideas. Exclusive software recommendations. The club might offer recommendations for AI-powered video editing software or stock footage libraries to enhance your productions. The AI Creators Club isn't just about making videos faster, it's about unlocking a new level of creative potential with the help of AI. Find out more in the link at the comments or description below.